This is the Breitling Superocean Heritage 2 B20 automatic, model number AB201016.C960.154A. Breitling has presented this watch in a clever and different way. The leather finish, steel rivets and stitching give the outer box an almost rugged look. The brown leather tones even work to accentuate the shiny finish of the watch when it is eventually revealed. The paperwork can be found beneath the light brown leather case. It includes an instruction manual with bright yellow pages, a thick plastic warranty card, and a certificate stating that it is an officially certified Swiss chronometer. The light leather case that holds the watch seems almost functional, something that you might actually carry with you when travelling. This watch is a tribute to the iconic Superocean, which was first introduced in 1957. The aesthetics have remained quite similar, but the main difference is the superior movement and the materials used, such as the steel case and ceramic bezel, which is favoured by many dive watches for its scratch and shock resistance. The watch features a blue face with a matching blue unidirectional rotating bezel and a knurled edge, making it easy to turn even in an underwater environment. The bezel has maintained the minimalist look and feel from the original by not featuring any words or numbers. The face of the watch is protected by a cambered sapphire glass, which has been glare-proofed on both sides for optimal viewing. The dial is simple and sleek, containing hour, minute and second hands and a date window at the 6 o'clock position. There are luminescent markers on the hour and minute hand, and rather unusually on all hour markers except for the 12, 3, 6 and 9 positions. On the side of the watch you'll find a screw-locked crown, which is slightly rounder shape, adding to its vintage style. At the heart of this watch is the Breitling Caliber B20 self-winding movement, which is actually built in partnership with Tudor, and is a modified version of Tudor's Caliber MT5612. The screw-in steel caseback has a highly polished finish and keeps the watch water resistant to 200 meters. The Milanese style steel mesh bracelet gives the watch a slightly more formal look than traditional bracelets, but in my opinion feels solid and looks great. The Superocean actually comes in a 42 and a 46mm models. This is the 42mm version, which sits quite comfortably on the wrist, but being about 14mm thick, it still feels quite substantial. This is an elegant looking watch with a classic feel. It stands out on your wrist thanks to its highly polished finish and with not a single brushed surface in sight. Wearing this watch will definitely draw some admiring glances and some questions from fellow watch fans. You can find out more about this watch on our website at www.iconicwatches.co.uk. If you found this video useful, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe for more watch unboxings coming soon. Iconic Watches is an online luxury watch specialist, with a dedicated showroom in the High Street of Blackburn where we have been for the last 71 years. We sell 100% genuine watches at discount prices and are a member of the National Association of Goldsmiths. All of our watches are sourced from authorised dealers and come with an original manufacturer's warranty and carry a lifetime guarantee of authenticity. We stock over 200 watches that can be dispatched straight away for next day delivery, and if we don't have what you were looking for in stock, we can order from one of our authorised dealers. Order online today and we can ship it to you with worldwide delivery available. Find out more at iconicwatches.co.uk.